What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of JF Vlogs. As you can see, I do have my BMX bike on top of the Golf R. We will shortly be going downtown today. As you guys can see, the huge buildings of downtown Phoenix right in front of me. Just going to kind of take a cruise out there with Jake. He will be here shortly. He's crazy. He's on the other side. He uses Apple Maps. Get out of here. Waze all the way. Yeah, so we'll be hopping on the bikes any minute now, and we're gonna head downtown. It's gonna be a great time.
All right, listen. I went all the way over there because I got the directions to this park that Jake and I met up. And so I went around, I went onto the busy street, I think it was Buckeye. And so there were no cars coming to the left. There was a little truck coming to the right. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna get in the middle lane. I'm gonna step on it. And this dude would not let me over. And so next thing happens, I cut him off, we both crash.
So we were riding in and saw the Diamondbacks Stadium. And there's actually a pretty cool spot right here, so might do a 180 off of it right here. What do you guys think? It's not too high. I mean, let's go for it.
All right, you guys really want to see a real trick? You'll see it. Watch. Jake and I were just trying to do a little sesh over there right in front of the stadium. Not doing no harm because we have respect, you know, respect towards everyone, everything. And I tried a trick and the security guard came and he kicked us out. Like, come on, man.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty understandable just because it is the Diamondbacks Stadium. So, on to the next spot. All right, where are we headed?
I have no idea, but we're downtown Phoenix. We're gonna go more into the city, more by the big buildings, so we'll see what's there.
All right, you guys, so here's a little wall ride spot we can hit right here. Seems pretty cool. There's some stoppers at the top, but we're not gonna be grinding that. Dude, that's pretty good. I mean, that's pretty easy, but I don't know. We could find a couple other spots, maybe some boxes where we can do some rotation tricks for sure. Right here.
Yo!
Jake just got so hurt. His bike's back here. Jake, you good? Uh-oh.
Guys, I can't do a 180.
What do you need to practice on?
More height and more rotation.
My guy said height. You good? Dude, did you get a concussion?
Yeah, I did.
All right, so we're gonna go to this ledge down here. There's no like grind stoppers on it, so we should be able to grind it. Definitely a better ledge. I mean, the other one's just right back there, so we're just gonna roll up right here. All right, what do you have on this ledge? Come on, let's see something.
What ledge? This?
This ledge right here.
Guys, watch.
Feeble grind, right now. Bag down.
I can't do a feeble grind.
Which one then? Double peg?
Double peg.
Double peg.
Double peg.
Bro, you gonna throw it or not? Yo, that was close. Just stick it out though, because, dude, I'm telling you, like, if you just stick it out, you got it. Because if you try to bail out, you're really gonna miss it. You got it?
That's how I'm gonna get hurt too. Let's go.
Yo! Due to being in a rush earlier, I had a barbershop appointment scheduled. I actually got my part changed up a little, if you can tell, but I had to be there for 6, so it was a bit of a rush. But Jake doing that grind, I mean, he was not feeling too well, as you guys could tell. But yeah, I know a lot of you are wondering what I do for a living now and kind of why I've been so busy, YouTube and all that stuff. I know I discussed it a little bit in the previous video, but yeah, so for those of you who don't know, I work at Ferrari, Scottsdale Ferrari Maserati. It's both Ferrari and Maserati. I'm the sales assistant there, and it's been great there, but it's a full-time job. It's a real job, so it doesn't allow me, or give me, I should say, that much time to mess around with YouTube, talk to you guys, update you on what's going on in my life. BMX, I've always loved BMX in the past. Used to ride with a bunch of buddies from New Orleans. You guys are probably watching, you know who you are. But that was like a family. So now finding Jake, being able to ride with him, and it kind of brings back memories. And I got a bike for Christmas, so that was kind of my way to get back into it. But yeah, it's been super fun, and I'm not gonna go too crazy on my bike because it's like my job, super important to me. School, like I can't be hurt. It's probably not a good time to be trying anything crazy. But yeah, as far as cars go, today was a bit hard. Couldn't really think of anything to video. You guys are probably wondering why I don't video stuff at work, and that's just because I don't really want to blend YouTube and work, just because it's kind of unprofessional. Maybe in the future, once I get a little bit more close with my coworkers and my general manager, maybe that's something I can mention to him. That'd be cool for you guys, because we have a bunch of not just Ferraris, Maseratis, but Porsches, all kinds of crazy supercars. But that'd be pretty cool to get into. I know this is my apartment, but you're not getting a tour today because it's kind of messy. I'd like to clean it up before I do give you a tour, because I definitely want to show you around. I love the place. I got a little bit closer to work. I was in a place in Tempe. For those of you who don't live here, it's much farther from Scottsdale, but now I'm kind of in Scottsdale, right outside of Scottsdale, Phoenix. It's like I'm right on the line, like the border. So yeah, it's great. I'm closer to work. It's like 5-6 minutes now, and it makes things much more convenient for me. Just especially how busy I am with school and work, and trying to get back into YouTube, and trying to ride my bike, trying to have fun as well. That's the thing, is I have to get stuff done, but I also want to have fun. So this is kind of my way to, let out what's in my head, talk to you guys, and just kind of have a good time and share with you all. So yeah, but sorry that got cut short as far as riding downtown, but I did want to catch up with you guys back at the apartment, just to let you know why it was so short. But let me know what you want to see in the comments down below. Please, I do value your comments. For those of you who have commented, you know that I respond, and you know that I throw a thumbs up to you. So make sure to throw a thumbs up back to me. Let me know what you want to see. Just say hey, say what's up, anything you want. I know a lot of you don't subscribe. I can tell in the statistics, the analytics on my YouTube Studio app. So please subscribe, because we will be bringing more content to you. But yeah, have a good night, day, whatever it is for you right now, and peace out till next time.